What do you do when you have a lot of blueberries? Make blueberry pancakes. Now, this is the way I like to make mine. You can adjust the recipe to your liking. 2 tablespoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and then you're gonna mix all your dry ingredients together, set it to the side, and let's work on the wet ingredients. To a separate bowl, you're gonna go in with a large egg, whisk that a little bit, go in with 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter, followed by 2 cups of milk. Then we're gonna go in with a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and we're gonna mix that in. I like to have my blueberries made into a little sauce as well, so I'm just going to go in with a couple of blueberries followed by a little bit of water, a squeeze of lemon juice followed by 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. I'm going to mix that in on low flame and allow it to do its thing. Add wet ingredients to dry ingredients in twos, mix that in. Be careful not to overmix. Melt some unsalted butter to your hot griddle or pan. Then we're going to mix in some blueberries to our batter. This is optional. Then we're going to go in with our batter. I'm using a 1/2 cup, and this makes around 4 large pancakes. I'm just adding my little sauce on top. This is optional. You can totally skip this part. And I cooked them for around 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame. This is how we're looking. I went in with some more sauce. You can add some butter if you like. And of course, I'm going to go in with my syrup. This was so delicious.